Manipur is powerhouse of sports. I think Manipur is so many national players, Olympians, gold medalists, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Olympians. So COVID happened and the situation, so sports took a backseat. So we are very happy to see young people today come out and play. And in the next edition also, Assam Rifle will organize the same hockey tournament. And we keep on working towards promoting sports. The Northeast, entire Northeast, and especially Manipur, the kind of talent it is unparalleled anywhere. So I wish the young sportsmen from Manipur, young boys and girls, to rise and shine for the country. And if they shine, the future will be bright and shining. So I wish